We also got this amazing two-tier retaining wall that allowed for us to be able to take the landscape that was once previously in a position where it had a tremendous amount of erosion happening and put this beautiful two-tier retaining wall up. That's allowed for us to put in this beautiful planting package that then allowed for us to put in this beautiful Zeon Zoysia shot that you see here, and it's just giving this customer so much more value on their landscape and giving them a way to deal with the water that was coming in on their landscape, and we've been able to effectively deal with that once and for all, and that's exactly what we do right here at Brooks Landscape. We give you more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And as you can see, this drainage system was necessary because it had a lot of water that was coming in from the neighbor's yard. And anytime you're dealing with that, as we're right here in the Bentwater 7 Hills area, and we see this drainage problem a lot, we always have to find out where the water is coming from. Once we're able to identify where the water is coming from, we then begin to meticulously come up with a design that allows us to be able to give that customer the peace of mind. And that's what we did on this landscape. We put that design together that allowed for us to be able to take the water that was coming in on this landscape, put it into this 20-inch drain grate, and then take it under a 6-inch corrugated piping system to the back of the landscape as if it was never even here. And that's the way in which we continue to give our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And that's exactly what happened today on this landscape. But that's what's happening each and every time you give the professionals right here at Brooks Landscape a call. We're coming out and we're solving your landscape drainage problem, and we're giving you an outdoor landscape solution that's lasting a lifetime. And we're coming up with ways to do so, such as what you see with this beautiful Zeon Zoysia sod, such as what you see with the way in which we put in that two-tier retaining wall, even down to the way we gave a little bit more than that of what was expected by putting this decorative gravel up along the foundation and ensuring that the customer doesn't have to worry about that. We do have erosion control fabric here as well, but these are just some of the things that we do in order to make sure that our customer is taken care of. And as you can see, they're doing a great job of just watering their grass and making sure they keep it maintained, and it definitely does go a long way. And so if you're in the Bentwater 7 Hills area, Paulding County in specific, and you're looking for a way to deal with your landscape drainage, guys, you don't have to look far. The professionals right here at Brooks Landscape will be able to help you out, but most importantly, we'll be able to solve your landscape problem once and for all. We'll be able to help you out, but most importantly, we'll be able to solve your landscape problem once and for all. Definitely says no matter what you may be dealing with, even if it comes down to the thought of having to put in a two-tier retaining wall, or maybe you just need some of that beautiful Zeon Zoysia sod, we'll be able to ensure that we give you the best type of options possible, even if it comes down to us having to put in this design that you see here, which allowed for us to ensure that the water that was coming in from the neighbor's yard no longer impacts their entire landscape, but rather is being dealt with most appropriately. And so these are some of our custom designs, but definitely something that we'll be glad to help you understand as well.